Recipe: Potatoes chicken. Aloo Gosht. Cooking all? Take a pan. Add cooking all as per choice. Add cut slice onion as per choice. Garlic ginger as per choice. Make grind in grinder. Its look as a paste. Tomatoes and green chilli as per choice. Make grind in grinder. Looks like a paste. Onion well brown. Add washed chicken. Well mix with onion. Add dry masala, salt, red mirt, turmeric powder, mix garam masala as per choice. Add garlic ginger paste. Add tomatoes, green mirt paste. All well cook. Add cut potatoes or aloo. Add green mirt for more spice. Then all well cook. Add yogurt or dahi. After that, cover till all is over. Looks like this. Add some water as a gravy. Covered. Now your dish is ready. Serve with boiled rice. Tasty. Easy make.